I just watched Onte by Anike Ami on Anike Ami TV. Guys, the story is a unique and beautiful one as such. Majority of us are even guilty of the lesson taught in this movie. Here is a summary of the movie. So there's this new couple who just got married and they wanted to change the apartment they were living in because it was noisy and it just didn't suit their taste anymore. So they started looking for a better apartment. They met different house agents but didn't like the houses they were taken to, and eventually they met someone who told them he had exactly what they wanted. Mind you, something was weird about this agent because he was actually taking them to his own apartment. He claimed he was about to move to his own house. This particular agent was dressed in rag, like tall clothes. They didn't even believe him because he doesn't give the look of someone who could afford the kind of apartment they were looking for. So they left and never checked it out. But he mentioned the address to them, which was number 13, Iwekari Araromi, and told them to give him a call if they decided to come check it out. Days passed and they still couldn't find a suitable apartment that matches their taste, and the present one they were in wasn't giving them the peace of mind they wanted. Their neighbors was always fighting each other and there was just so much noise and they didn't want that. So that particular day, the husband suggested that they check out the house that the agent mentioned at number 13, Ibekari Araromi. The wife wasn't convinced they would like it, judging from how the agent was dressed and the circumstances surrounding it, but they eventually decided to check it out. I mean, if it's not their taste, they won't take it, so there was no harm in checking it out. So they went there, called the agent, and they met with the landlady and her daughter. They loved the house, the serenity, literally everything about the house. When the landlady came and gave them the agreement form for the apartment they were about to pay for, just like every one of us, they didn't read through, thinking it was just the usual house agreement form like every other was. They just signed, gave it back to her, she also signed, and it got stamped. They moved into the house and that was the beginning of their misfortune. Their mental health was messed up with, spiritually they were attacked, financially and physically they were attacked. They signed up an agreement that never should have been signed or stamped in the first place. If only they took their time to read through the agreement form. What exactly happened to them? Did they eventually get out of the misfortune? And at what cost? To find out, go to Anike Ami TV and watch the movie titled Onte. For those of you that have seen the movie, do you agree that we deserve to get a part 2? I mean, justice has to be served to that wicked landlady. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.